anyhow they want to ginger me.
Hey, they carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man.
Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturally Ads on YouTube. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve these summer friendly spring twists. They are so light and they're a little bit bright at the end, so you know, bring in some summer vibes, and it won't get too hot because you barely feel it on your head. So in today's video I used hair from Beyond Beauty once again. They sent it to me, so thank you to Beyond Beauty for sending me this hair. The colour of this hair is T1B 350, so it's 1B kind of ombre into a 350 with some 350 strands. So it's very different to what I am used to, but I thought I would try something new because I'm always doing 1B and 33. So I thought I'd try something new, so I decided to show you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press the bell to be notified every single time I upload, which is every Wednesday. And I'm being more consistent now, so it will be up every Wednesday now. And I'll stay consistent, fingers crossed. But yeah, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.
His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh na na. Oh na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh na. Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. So pass up on it, family mama say it's okay. Oh them up me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah, you're a pretty fine girl and I have a pretty fine waist. Nah, you're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha, she's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. What's up for me, pay a Chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way.
Hey, baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah.
Ginger me. How they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing. She hold a bad man. She want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me. How they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me.
Hey, baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah.
Body, baby. Oh, oh, na na. feeling my way, cause I'm feeling your way. To pass up on it, family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up pay me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I'm a pretty fine Winston. Nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha, she's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Baka chukum baka gini, what's up for me pay a chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way.
Hey, baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah.
Ginger me, how they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing. She hold a bad man. She want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we standing. Make you ginger me. How they want to ginger me today.
So as you can see, my hair is now done. I've got my beautiful spring twist back in. I have missed them very much and I'm loving this colour. I was a bit skeptical and scared to do them this colour, but I said I'm just go out of my comfort zone and be ready for the summer. Oh yeah, and I forgot to add, I used one and like a bit of a second packet, but mostly one packet and like about 4 spring twist strands from another packet. I split each strand into 4 or 5 pieces depending on how thick the strand was, and this took me altogether 8 hours, which seems long, but for me doing my own hair 8 hours is not a long time. I started at like 9:30 this morning. It is now 6 and I'm finished. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below what you thought of this hairstyle, or if you tried this colour, or if you want me to try a different colour that you think might suit me. Comment that down below. And next time I do this, I want to do them short, like the bob style that I did in my first video. So if you'd like to see that, just give me a thumbs up so I know next time I do spring twists I will do them shorter. Yeah, so anyways, I'll see you in the next video.
They want to ginger me.
Baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man.